Thinking of changing up your Eichler floor plan, particularly the walls that define your kitchen, living, or family room? My name is Christa Khatcherian, and I'm a member of the Eichler for Sale team at Bay Area Modern, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about post and beam construction. Post and beam construction is the type of construction used for Eichler homes. Post and beam construction uses vertical posts and horizontal beams that join into their brackets, which create the structure for your house. One of the major advantages of this kind of structure is that not all of the interior walls will be load-bearing of the roof, which is why some of the original Eichler floor plans were known for their open concept layout. This is also great news for Eichler homeowners today who might not love the current placement of their walls. Reinventing your Eichler might be much easier than you thought. Here are a few examples of walls between the kitchen and the dining rooms that have been altered from their original state. In several atrium model Eichlers, our team has helped shorten the wall between the kitchen and the dining room. The load-bearing post remains, but we were able to remove a whole section of the original wall, creating a more open flow between these two rooms, often making the rooms feel larger and brighter as well. These pictures are a great example for someone who simply wants more light into your kitchen, but doesn't want to remove the entire wall. What you can consider is partially opening the wall with various options of cutouts. These will provide much more lines of sight, in these cases, into the backyard and let more light into the kitchen. Now, there are some walls that may not be able to remove completely, if they are load-bearing or depending on where the electrical is running in your specific house. If taking the entire wall out isn't an option, you might want to consider creating a pony wall like these examples. This would still allow you to open up the space, creating more light and flow, but still house and hide the electrical wires. Remember, it's always best to consult with a professional before making structural changes to your home. And while our team of Eichler specialists make it look quick and simple, we always recommend working with a professional rather than attempting to take any walls down yourself. For more Eichler information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram at Eichler for Sale, or visit us at eichlerforsale.com.